Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and welcome to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys the best websites to use for resources for graphic design. Let's get right into this video and to start off with number one. Number one is graphicburger.com. Now, with graphicburger.com, you can find mockups, UI kits, icons, text effects, and backgrounds to use for your graphic design stuff. Now, everything on here is free. You heard me right, free. So you can use all of this absolutely free and use it in your designs. But I don't recommend just straight off copying some of these, because some of these are already like pre-made designs, but don't copy them. Just use like different assets and stuff you can use from it. There's also mockups you can use if you want to, like, you know, put a poster on a wall. You could actually do it. You could put the poster on the wall. You could make a giant billboard, put it on a billboard type thing. So yeah, stuff like that. You can download it on graphicburger.com. Number two is Unsplash.com. Now, on Unsplash.com, you can get images that are freely usable. It says it right when you load up the website. It says it right there. The internet's source of freely usable images. That's what it says, okay? So, all these images are usable if you want to use them for whatever design you make. If you want a city background, you can get a city. If you want a beach, you can get a beach. All that stuff you can find on Unsplash as well. They're all high-resolution photos, no pixelated garbage. So, yeah, use Unsplash if you need any kind of pictures and stuff like that. Website number three is Dafont.com. With Dafont.com, you can find any theme of fonts you want you can use for your designs. There's all kinds of themes you can choose from cartoon, you got groovy, you got western, you got horror, you got techno, square, you got medieval, you got sans serif. You can choose all kinds of different stuff. There's dingbat fonts as well. If for whatever reason you need a dingbat font, you can use dingbat fonts. There's also holiday themed fonts, so like for Christmas and Halloween and Easter, Valentine's Day, stuff like that. You could also find those kinds of fonts. Now, there's a lot, and I mean a lot of fonts on this website, so you have plenty to choose from. So if you ever need anything, just scroll through the font if you really want to search for that specific font you want. There's most likely one like it on the website. So yeah, Dafont.com is definitely a site to use if you're looking for any fonts for your designs. Website number four is RemoveBD. Now, with RemoveBD, you can select any photo with a person in it, and it will cut it out for you. You toss it in, and it will just automatically cut around the person for you. Now, sometimes it gets a little weird, but if it's still like kind of wonky, and you still have a little bit of edges around it that aren't supposed to be there, it saved you a bunch of time already. Just save the picture, put it in Photoshop, and just cut out the rest of it. It saves me plenty of time when I'm trying to cut out something, and yeah, it keeps it high quality still. And yeah, RemoveBD, you could use that if you're kind of lazy and don't really want a pen tool for many hours. Website number four is Coolors.co. Now, with Coolors, I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's cool ors. It's like colors, but with an extra O. So, Coolors.co. You can use a color scheme generator, and it gives you colors to choose from, and you can use those for your next design. If you don't want to use those that it randomly generated for you, you could just press the Explore button, and you can find ones that other people have already made for you and choose them for yourself. It's kind of cool. You could also save the image and toss it on your Photoshop, so you can just select it with the eyedropper tool whenever you need it and stuff like that, which is very, very useful if you want to stick to those main colors. Now, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to talk to you guys in the next video. Later.